Hello, I am Graciela Gonzalez from monoDrive, and this is a short tutorial about how to change the weather configuration using the LabVIEW Client and the monoDrive High Fidelity Simulator. Working on the monoDrive scenario editor, I'm going to be working on the all-mono test track and changing the weather conditions to show you the pre-built weather profiles. The monoDrive editor gives you the ability to create any weather condition you can imagine. You can have sunny days, cloudy days, or even rainy days. These are some of the examples that we have created. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. For more information, please review https://monodrive.readthedocs.io. See you next time.